Hey, this is Connor Stanley with T-Drill, and today we're going to talk a little bit about stainless steel butt-welded tees and orbital welding. Most folks who have the T-Drill machinery, they're most likely going to be using the TIG welding method to go ahead and connect their branches and their outlets. Another alternative that you can use is also orbital welding. Now, there's a lot of misconceptions out there saying that, oh, you can't orbital weld a T-Drill pulled T on a butt weld, but that's false. You actually can. Some great benefits, and the reasoning why you want to do that is, for one, your cost is going to go down. Secondly, the efficiency is going to go up. And also, the biggest one, your consistency of those welds on those pulled Ts, they're going to be immaculate. They're going to be great.
Or maybe that one is a more portable unit if you only want to go for 4-inch outlets.
If you're looking for more information, I've included a number of links below in the description. It has a website, phone number, and a couple additional documents. Feel free to give us a ring or shoot us an email, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.